Hi, I'm Marianne Lettieri. I'm a mixed media artist, and I'm just delighted to be here at the Peninsula Museum of Art, where I have a solo exhibition called Housework. Now, I make art out of objects that people have used over time and eventually discarded. And I'm especially attracted to objects that have come from the past, because I think recontextualized as art, they inform some of our contemporary issues and give us an idea of maybe ways to think about things. Most of the work that I've done in this show is addressing issues of housework and homemaking. I'm asking the viewer to perhaps re-examine their perceptions of housework, look at traditional roles of women in the home, perhaps question some feminist hierarchies, and then look at what is meaningful labor today. And there are 6 installations here. I'm going to talk about a couple of them right now. All of them, however, incorporate accumulations of one kind of object or a few objects and a lot of repetitive handwork. For example, if you look at this piece, which is called Cradle with Bedrock. Obviously, the first thing you're going to notice are the 200 river rocks, big stones, that have been covered with crochet. And I'm very excited to say that a lot of it is new crochet. That was, we had a circle of women come together, ages 14 to 94, and they crocheted rocks together, the way women have been doing for thousands of years, coming together to tell their stories while they did handwork. A lot of them were also done by a professional fiber artist, Stephanie Fayard, and then most of them came from estate sales. These are doilies and items of crochet that were done by women in the past. So I kind of like to think that this is done by women living and dead, or living and deceased, known and unknown. The piece includes a cradle, which is an antique, early California handmade cradle, and spilling out onto the rocks are these hand-blown glass spheres. Conceptually, I'm looking at, on one level, that work of mothers that kind of cushions the landing as we go out into the world, but also just looking at what we nurture. The spheres represent hopes, dreams, aspirations that eventually have to be let out into the world, and the crochet is sort of symbolic of maybe cushioning that fall. So this is Cradle with Bedrock, and in the back here is another piece I'd like to show you.